Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a professional looking camera shake effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. I have already added a video clip and an audio clip to my timeline. This will be our base for the effect. Right click inside the project panel and go to New Item, Adjustment Layer. Now drag the adjustment layer onto the track above the video clip. Go to the effects panel and type directional blur into the search box. Once you see it, drag the effect onto your adjustment layer in the timeline. Now go to Effects Control panel and under Directional Blur, set the blur length to 30. This creates the foundation of our shake effect. Next, move the playhead to the exact point where you want to shake effect to start. I will align mine with the bass drop in my audio track. Reposition your adjustment layer so it starts the playhead, then move the playhead forward by one frame using the arrow key and cut the adjustment layer at the position. Keep repeating this process, moving forward one frame at a time and cutting the adjustment layer until the shake effect covers your desired duration. Once you have created the one frame segments, delete every other frame starting with the second one. This staggered sequence creates the shake effect. When we play it back, the result is a smooth and impactful camera shake synced with the music. To quickly reuse the effect, select all the cut segments of the adjustment layer, hold down the Alt key and drag them to duplicate. Reposition the duplicates to align with the next beat or transition. This saves times and ensures your effect stays consistent throughout the video. And that's it. You have created a stunning camera shake effect in Premiere Pro. Simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more editing tips.